वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। क्षरसमाम्नातं ब्रह्महेश्वरात् कृष्णं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनीं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयं। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। All right, so today we are going to do the exercise. How many of you have done? So I will ask only them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. What is this? Done, not done? Shiva, did you do? Huh? First one you did. Here, now, after coming? First means, what do you mean by first? Means all 20 or something? Acha, acha. First one, number 2. Huh? Okay, Pani cha Padau cha, that one? That one. That you did? That group you did? Very good. All right. Pani cha Padau cha. Nikhilesh. Pani? Which rule applied here? Limbs of the body. That was not rule. What is the rule? Limbs of the body. What? That is the rule. Limbs of the body. What is the rule? Senangana. So what does it mean? So here what rule is applied? So the first answer will be Pani Padam. In the question it is written Pani cha Padau cha. What is the meaning? Hands and legs. Okay. How many hands? 2 hands and 2 legs. Pani cha Padau cha Pani Padam. Here the rule applied is that the limbs of the body, the names of the limbs of the body can form Samahara Dvandva. That rule is applied. What is the sutra number? 242? 242, yes. So 242, as per that, this rule is done. Okay. Next one. We have done Padatikascha Dhanushkascha. Padatika. What you have written, Amma? How you have written? What is this? Padatika. What is the mistake here? Padatika. So what will be the answer? Padatika is a plural. Foot soldier. So Padatika. Then Dhanushkam. Which rule is applied? Relevant part. What is the relevant part of that rule? the part of the army. Same 2.42. 2.42 na? 2.4.2. Padatika Dhan. Padatika, foot soldier, Dhanushka, these archers. So they form Samahara Dvandva. Keko, this is, can you identify this word? Huh? What is this word? Like Ramaha, we say Akaranta Pullinga Rama Shabda. Prathama Ekvachanam. How will you identify this? Akaranta? Ha. Then I am asking about Padatika Dhanushkam. No, Bahuvachanam is not. No, you understood the question. What? Please identify the word. You know the answer. If you don't know, it's a no. It's okay. Do you know the answer? I try. Okay, yeah. What is the Pratipadika? Huh?
Padadika Dhanushka is the Pratipadika. In Napumsakalinga, Pratama Vibhakti
That's correct. Akaranta Napumsakalinga Padatika Dhanushka Sabda Prathama Vibhakti Ekvachanam. Okay? So combination, etc. You should understand it is a compound. So it's a combination only. All right. Next one. Third. Arun, you have done? Huh? Please tell me. Rama? Yes. Which sutra is applied? No. For Dvandvas there is a sutra, no? What is the sutra? Charthe Dvandva. It is, what is the sutra number? Huh? 2 to 29. Rama Lakshmano. Okay. So which samasa it is? Why it is Itaretara Dvandva and not Samahara Dvandva? Means this doesn't follow in the category which is given there. Correct. And why it is a Rama Lakshmana and not Lakshmana Ramo? Okay. There is another reason also. That rule also is applied. So in fact that rule is more. Because that rule is exception of this. Alpachataram exception is that. Okay. All clear? Now what is the next word? Okay, at least exercise somebody can read. What is the next exercise? Next one? Nakulaha cha. Okay. So ahi means what? Anybody knows ahi? Serpent, snake. Nakula means mongoose. It is given there. Okay, who knows the answer? Here, Karan. Acha, you have done amma exercise? Full? Okay. You thought that your turn will come only at that time, no? Okay. What is the rule applied? Shashwati ko drishyate. What is the meaning? So what is the rule applied? In English you tell. Sanskrit we may not understand some of you.
These are inimical to each other. These two creatures are inimical to each other. So samasa is formed by taking the Napumsakalinga Prathama Purusha.
Prathama Purusha? Huh? What is wrong in that?
Prathama Vibhakti.
Yeah. Purusha and Vibhakti are different. Okay. Ahischa Nakulascha Ahinakulam. Yesham cha Virodha Shashpatikaha. Ahinakulam. What is the sutra? Yesham cha Shashpatikaha. Sai Krishna, what is the sutra? What is the number? 249. Okay. So, Ahi, the snake, and Nakula, mongoose, they have got Shashvatika Virodha. That is important. Once in a while they become enemy. You fight with the person and enemy. That then your name and that person's name, we cannot make Samar Dvandva. Why? Because once in a while you fight. But only all the time you are born fighters, born enemy, then only this can be done. All right, next. Who will read next? At least reading, huh? 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 Swasa Bhrataro. Which samasa it is? Correct. Itaretara Dvanda. And what is another rule applied here?
The end of the word that is the blood relation remains
Hmm? Okay.
Rukara at the end of the word that denotes the blood relation.
Rukara denotes the blood relation.
No, like
Okay, okay. Then,
through and
okay, okay.
it remains
Changes to Adesha. What is the rule for Swasa Bhrataro? Ah. Ah. What is the sutra? Sutra. Rutau Anang. Anang Rutau cha. Anang Rutau Dvandve. 6-3-24. Just see. 6-3. 25. In my book, 25. Correct. Last time also. So 6-3-25. Okay. Next. Yes, Barna. Next one is what? What is the meaning? Okay. What is the samasa will happen? Jaya Pati. Which samasa? Huh? Itaretara. What is the alternative? Jampati. And other one is Dampati. Okay, okay. All right, Jayapati. So here Itaretara Dvandva. The original sutra 2 to 20, I think 2 to 29, no? That's चार थे द्वंद्व 2 to 29, no? Yeah, 2 to 29. Okay, next. Next one, who will read? Yeah, please read. Huh? Hmm? Gruho Again? Huh? Ah. Gruhodhyane. Don't say dhyane. Ah. Gruhodhyane. I will also still say. Sometimes when we correct, sometimes we end up doing the same thing. Gruhodhyane. Which samasa it is? Ah, Gruhodhyane. All right. Huh? 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 Pati? Why? Huh? Ah. Jayapati. Okay. Jayapati. Akara ending in E, ending in Ekara, no? Sorry, sorry, ending in E. Ah, Jayapati. Akara. No, no, yeah, Ikara, Jaya. It should be beginning with vowel, no? When the previous, when a with when the beginning with a vowel, but beginning not beginning with a vowel, no? Ending with, sorry, ending in U. Words ending in U, then the previous, okay, okay, yeah. Dvandya Ghi Sakesha. Should get first. Yeah, I will think over this. Huh? You are right. Jayapati is done. It is irregular. Yes, yes, correct, correct. It comes in irregular one. Exception. That's why they have given in exception. See, page number 121, Jaya cha Pati cha. It comes in the exceptional form. Rajadatta, I think, like. I think Rajadanta Adishu, Param. So by that, there are some rules where this position is reversed. You are right. Good. You have done this? Please. Hmm? That is done, no? Grihodhyane. Next one. Huh? Ah. But also before that one rule is there. Alpachataram. Third rule is first. If you remember, I had told. Here Griha has got 2 syllables and here 3. Udyan. Yeah. So that's why I told that first. The first predominant rule is that Alpachataram should apply first. If there is similarity is there, then only second rule. The first one is second and then second is third. So that's why I told the 3 rules. Last one is first one is second is third. If you remember, I had told this is the order. All right. Yes, next one is Apacha Vipacha. Means what? Apacha Vipacha, what is the meaning? Apacha, Vipacha, Vipapacho? No. Apacha Vipacha. Anybody else? What is the meaning? You. Apad aa gaya aapko. Then? Apacha Vipacha. What is the meaning? And misfortune. Okay. Yeah, in fact, death also is the meaning given, but they are almost having similar idea. So perhaps I was trying to get, there must be some small difference. So one meaning, one difference is that vipat is used in the sense of death. So difficulty and death. So here, okay. Arun, what is the samasa? Apad Vipade? Apad Vipade? Correct also it can be. Apad Vipade, how it will, which type of forms? Like what? It will decline like what? Please sit, please sit. Decline like what? Eh? Maruta, it is declining like Sampath. Is Srilinga. Sampad. What are the forms of Sampad? Correct, correct. Sampad, Sampado. So Apad, Apadaha. I think you have been taught Srilinga. Napumsa, which Sabda was taught to you? Srilinga was not taught? Dakaranta Srilinga. Okay, so generally Sampat is taught. So Sampat, Sampadau, Sampadaha. So here Apad, Vipadau. 1 minute. Yes. Hmm? Yeah, correct, correct. Both are same. The that which has got short vowel should come first. Yes, yes. Yeah. But that which is yes, yes. So Vipadapado, yes. If there any exception is applied. Yeah, I think Vipadapado. Yes, I'm sorry. Correct. Yes, Vipadapado. Vipatonos. Yeah, Vipadapado. So here, this iteratara dvandva and the sutra, another sutra applied is alpachataram. What is the number? Alpachataram. 2 to 30. 2 to 30? 2 to 4? 30. Okay, 34. So 2 to 29 for samasa, and this is for position. Okay? So 2 sutras are applied here. Okay, correct, very good. Then next one. Who is going? Shiva. Shokanandam. How Shokanandam it became? Which samasa it is? Samahara. Why Samahara could be formed? What was the basis? Very good. Opposite quality. So in this case, there is optional. Shokananda will be optional. Why optional? Sutra is optional. Sutra is never optional. Sutra, you should not. Sutra is always mandatory. We should not say optional sutra. Sutra is giving option. You should not say optional. Okay. The sutra is, what is the sutra? 2, 4, 13. 1, 3, 2, 4, 13. What is the sutra? Vipratisiddham. Okay. So here, Shokanandam, according to this, the Samahara Dvandva will happen optionally. So 2, 4, 13, no? And when this is not, I mean, another option is Shokanando. Keko, what is the difference between the two? Shokanandam, Shokanando. Which one is Itaretara Dvandva? Hmm. Shoka? Shokanandam. Ah. What is the meaning? Happiness. Ah, okay. Okay. Shokanando. All right. Next. Next, now who is remaining? Ha, Karan. Next one. Ah, what is the meaning? Cooking vessel, they have given the meaning. Huh? Randanam is cooking, I think. But maybe, sorry. Maybe as in Sanskrit, one word can be applied to both. So vessel also okay. Ah, so let us keep it vessel. So what will be the meaning? Oh, sorry, fire and samasa. Agnirandane. Okay. Yes. We could have done samara, but since Agni is not a thing, therefore inert thing, it is not coming under that. Adra. So Agni Randane. Which sutra is applied, Nikhilesh? Huh? Huh? Tanaya? 2 to 29, na? 29, no? 2 point. Okay. So we have done Itaretara Dvandva only, no? So Itaretara Dvandva is a default setting. Samar Dvandva not applied, Itaretara, we cannot drive away from both. One place we have to keep Agni Randane. Okay. Agni Randane. So Agni means fire, Randana means cooking also and cooking vessel also. Both meanings are there. All right. Next one. Apacha. Next one, who will do? Malini, what is written exercise? Agnihi cha Varunaha cha. What will be? Agni Rasva or Dirgha? There is something is there. What is that? Agni Varunau. Achha, last class I forgot to tell you the the topic number 185, third, second. When the names of two gods are compounded, for that sutra is Devata Dvandvecha. And for Agni lengthens its final E before Soma and Varuna, E Dagne Soma Varunayoho, 6-3-27. 6-3-27 is there? E Dagne Soma Varunayoho. There? Is there, no? E Dagne. So there, this is the sutra for Agni lengthens, what we are doing now. Agni lengthens is finally before Soma and Varuna. Idagnehe Soma Varunayoho. And general, Mitra Varuna, what was there? The Devata Dvandvecha, 6-140. Is there? 6-140? Devata Dvandvecha? What is that sutra? What number sutra? 6:3:23. Huh? Huh? What is the number? Number? 6:3:26. Oh, acha, acha, okay. All right. Anyway, now next one is Agni Varuno. What is the sutra number? Huh? Okay. So this sutra says that when Agni is the first member, then Ikara of Agni will be lengthened. Agni Varuno. Acha. Suparna, you have done? Next one. Ah. Will Agni Dirgha or Rasva? Correct. Also, okay. Okay. And also, Agni Vayu. So, Agni Vayu. Iteretara Dvandva. Okay. There is a Vartika on this. This is based on one Vartika, Vayu Pratishede. Vayu Shabda Prayoga Pratishede. That is Vartika on 6.3. I think 26. All right. So Agni Vayu Itaretara Dvandva. You can say 2:29. Sutra, if you want to write Sutra, 2.229. Okay, next. Nikhilesh, next. Where are we? Vrishtischa Vayuscha. Vrishti Vayu. Which samasa it is? Okay. Next. Vrishti Vayu means what? Rain and wind. Okay. Next. Itaretara. Here, that why Samardanda will not happen even though the names of rivers they are? Correct. Yes, correct. So Ganga and Yamuna, if they were in different gender, then they would have formed which samasa? Samadanda. Now it will be Itaretara. So Samara is not there, out, then Itaretara will be always ready to receive. Okay. Next one. Arun. Patra Pushpam. Patra Pushpam, it comes under that inanimate objects. When the members of the compound are words denoting opposites, no, not that, sorry. The Jatira Praninam 2.4.6. When the members of compound are words denoting inanimate substances. Patra Pushpam. What is the number of that? 2.4.6. All right. Patra Pushpam. Malini, what is the meaning Patra Pushpam? Leaf and flower. Okay, Barna, next. You have done or not? You have not done? Why? We didn't find. It was there in the book itself, it is given. Book itself, it is there. You see last. No, that turn the page. That last there, no? What is the answer? Ah, this we in the book itself it is there. Akshibruvam. This comes under exception irregular. In fact, it is a that is samasanta. Akar a samasanta will apratyaya will be added. That is how Akshibruvam. So we have studied this. Akshibruvam. In fact, I think 5477. I think 5. Huh? 106? Akshibruvam. What is the sutra? 106. Yeah. But that is Dvandvat. Chuda. Dvandvat. That's why Chuda, so it will not apply here, no? Bhruva. Bhru is there. That is Dvandvat Chu, it will not be. 77, 5477. In 5.4, is this word there? Just see, Bhru. Very long sutra. Okay, Akshibruvam. What is the meaning of Akshibruvam? Correct. Eye and eyebrow. Okay. Next, Karan. You have written, you don't know? What you have written? You don't have to bother about it. Little different. It is already given in the book. Irregular, Vang Manase. And this also comes under that 5.4.7. There, you just see 5.4.7 in that it comes or not? There, no? Mana, yeah. 5.7, in fact, most of the time, if we don't know anything like Brihadaranyaka, such a long sutra, nobody will go and check also. So, Vak Manaha. Okay? Vang Manase. What is the meaning, Karan? Mind. Okay. Vang Manase. Okay, next. Yes. Anuradha, next. Why? Kasara Nadyo, why? Word ending? Ach. Word ending in a and beginning with vowel. What is the rule? You just read that. Please read that rule. What does it say? In the book we have studied that rule. No, the book. I am telling in book where did you find that rule? Now kasara is beginning with vowel. So then it doesn't apply. It's not apply. Okay. What is the answer? Nadi. Correct. Kasaro. Kasaro no name. Not casserole or something. Correct. Nadi Kasaro. What is the meaning? Pond. So why Kasaro came later? More syllables. Nadi, less syllables. Kasaro. Okay. Why that these names of river also combined with the region? Why that was not applied here? Ganga Shona, like that, why it did happen? Huh, Karan? It's not the name of the river. Okay, the river is not going to combine. River's name only will combine. So see, Sanskrit, they make so much difference. Okay. Next. So here Nadi Kasarau 2 to 29 and Alpachataram. Alpachataram, what is the number of sutra? Huh? So 2.229 and 2.1. Alpachataram which sutra? Number? 2 to 34. Huh? Acha. Charte danda, because prakarana is different. Okay, next one, last one is Priyamcha, Priyamcha. Who is there? What you are reading? Reading? Priyancha is not there. Again read. Priyamcha. Priyamcha. Priya, Priyam. Priya. Priya. Priyam. Priya. Priyam nahi. Priya, Priyam. Priyam. You are saying what? Priya, Priyam. Priya, Priyam. What? Clear? What is the answer? What is the optional answer? Both. Correct. So both are there. Priya, Priye. Priya, Priye, Samar, Dvandva. And here also that optional, the optional sutra it is. Huh? 2.4 that. So we will keep the name of the sutra, optional sutra. All right, the last one, Nikhil. Who is there? Shiva. What is the last one? You have done? Optionally? Charachare. Same sutra is applied. Characharam. So rule is what? This opposite quality. Charachare. Charamcha, charamche, chare, charachare. So 2 point, same thing. Or characharam. All right. That's it. So our time also is very matching. So time also is up. So next time we'll do the next exercise. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Mevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.